On the 1st of November, 2024, Mega FM encountered a serious issue during the Wolobo program that was on air at night. The Wolobo program typically commenced around 9:20 p.m. with the usual presenter, who is well known in the Acholi community as the perfect fit for the show. However, on this particular night, the manager expressed dissatisfaction with one of the presenters involved in the Wolobo program. It seems that tensions escalated when Anek, a key figure at Mega FM, called upon an acquaintance to visit the station. Initially, Anek asked Gimara, a security guard, to head to the technical area and disconnect the cable, causing the radio transmission to cease. This unexpected action likely surprised the presenters, who were live on air during the program. Following this, Anek urgently summoned Cana, another individual involved in the incident, to confront the presenter with whom she had a personal conflict. Sadly, the situation turned physical as Cana aggressively engaged the individual, resulting in the intervention of another presenter who tried to protect their colleague. Regrettably, the altercation led to the second presenter suffering a broken arm amidst the chaos. Emergency services, notably the police, were promptly contacted to restore order and address the escalating violence. As a result, a case of assault has been registered at the Gulu Central Police Station, signaling a significant legal and administrative process ahead to resolve the issue and hold the responsible parties accountable for their actions.